Morning students, well you all know me, I am Francis and today I am going to teach you maths. So our today's topics is Indian system and international systems. Before this I taught you in the videos about the smallest digits number and greatest digit number. So now we have to start our exercise 1.1. So before that I was going to teach you Indian system and international system. It is because when we start our exercise 1.1 there is some questions in which you have to put the commas in the numbers. So in Indian systems, so let me show you how to put the commas in Indian systems. So it is only a short methods to use the commas in the Indian systems. So let's see, I will give the example with some numbers. I will write the number 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 0. Here it is the number. Now how to put the commas in Indian system? So see, in Indian system आपको कुछ याद नहीं रखना है. It's a very simple. Just put the commas after the 3 digits. First 3 digits, then 2, and like this only you have to go. Starting में आपको 3 digits के बाद एक comma रखना है. That's a first period we called. So first आपको क्या रखना है, 3 digits के बाद comma रखना है, then continue 2 2 2 like this only. And in international system similar, the same number if I write 3 4 6 8 9 0. In Indian systems we are putting the commas just after the 3 numbers, 3 and 3 and 3 3 3. It means international system में आपको 3 digits के बाद comma 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 लगाना पड़ता है. And in Indian system में starting 3 digits and then you have to put the commas after 2 digits, 2 digits and 2 digits. Okay, understood about the Indian system, that how to put the commas in Indian systems. So let's begin our exercise with one example. Example first, it is given. I don't have a book, so I was seeing the question in my mobile. So the first question is write. Hope you all have a book. If you don't have, just see my questions and you may be able to understand. Okay, see the first question. Write 12,478 in 10,000, 100, tens and ones. So they are saying that you have to write this number in 10,000, that how many 10,000s are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there and how many ones are there. First, using first you will write the number 1 2 4 7 8. Okay, then you put the comma according to the Indian system, see, like this. Okay, then you read it. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, now we will see 10,000. How many 10,000s are there? 1. So you can write 1, 10,000. How many thousands are there? How many thousand? Here I forgot to put the thousand. So here it is 1000. Okay, after 10,000 there is a 1,000. How many thousands are there? 2. 2,000. How many hundreds are there? 4. You can write 4. 100. How many tens are there? 7. Tens. How many ones are there? 8. It's very simple. Just you are counting like this now. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Similarly, the question is asking आपको सिर्फ ये बताना है कि इसमें कितने 10,000 है, कितने 100 है, कितने थाउजेंड्स है, कितने टेंस है, कितने वंस है। तो आप सिमिलरली पीछे आगे से स्टार्ट करेंगे। फर्स्ट यू कैन काउंट फ्रॉम देयर, फर्स्ट वंस, टेंस, 100,000, 10,000। देन फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट उसने क्या पूछा है 10,000, कितने 10,000 है, यहाँ पर लिखा है 1, तो 1 कितने हैं, 1 10,000 है तो 1 10,000। देन 1000 कितने हैं 2,000, 100 कितने हैं 4, सो 400, 7 कितने हैं तो कितने हैं 7 10, वंस कितना है 8। So hope you understood this example. Similarly, I will give the example for the lakh also. So you can see. You can now see our next example. Example second, it is about the lakh. It is not in your book, just I was writing the questions with myself. So 5 2 4 6 8 9, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is lakh. Okay, now if the question is asking that write in lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So how many lakhs are there? 5. You can write 5 lakh. How many 10,000 are there? 2. So 2 10,000. How many thousands are there? 4,000. How many hundreds are there? 6. 100. How many tens are there? 8 tens. How many ones are there? 9. Simple. It's very easy ना. आपको सिर्फ ऊपर ये लिख लेना है ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. If you are not able to read, अगर आपको याद नहीं रहता है तो otherwise you are not able, it is not needed to write these on the number. It is simply just read and write it. Here you can see, just first put the comma according to the Indian system. Then you can write how many lakhs are there? 5. How many 10,000s are there? 2. How many thousands are there? 4. How many hundreds are there? 6. How many tens are there? 8. How many ones are there? 9. Hope you understood. Now we will begin our exercise 1.1. So we are going to start our exercise 1.1. So good morning students, here we start the exercise 1.1. Question number first, fill in the blanks. Here it is written 27426. Here we have to write how many 10,000s are there. So we will count from here ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000s. You already studied this in class 3rd also. So see here students, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So how many 10,000s are there? 2. Here it is 7. How many thousands are there? 7. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 7. How many hundreds are there? Ones, tens, 100. So you can write here 4. B1 is your homework, you do that yourself. Question number second, write the numerals for each of these. Now here it is, you can see 4, 10,000, 2 thousands, 8 hundreds, 4 tens and 3 ones. So how many 10,000s are there? 4. 10,000 means 4 into 10,000, 40,000. How many thousands are there? 2. So 2,000, 40,000 plus 2,000, 42,000. 800, 4 tens means 40. 3 ones means 3, so 43. 42,843. 42,843. This is your answer of this questions. B1 is your homework that you have to do. Okay. Now the question number 3rd is write the place value of the underlined digits on the following numbers. You already know about the face value and place values. Face value is the number itself and the place value where we count, like see ones, tens, hundreds. So place value of 2 is 200. Similarly, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So place value of 5 is 5000. Hope you understood. Now we will start the next question number 4. So good morning students, again we are here the question number 4. Write the following numbers in a place value chart. Here it is written 35,252. Just you have to make a chart like this, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and ones. So here you can see that how many ones are there, 2, how many tens are there, 5, how many hundreds are there, 2, how many thousands are there, 5, how many 10,000s are there, 3. Similarly the question second, 8,63,975. So see how many lakhs are there, 8, how many 10,000s are there, 6, how many thousands are there, 3, how many hundreds are there, 9, how many tens are there, 7, how many ones are there, 5. Hope you understood this question. Now the question number 5 is write the numbers name from the given place value chart. Here you have to write the numbers name. You have to write the numbers name. Now see here the place value chart is already given in the question book also. So you can read like this only. First here it is written 2, 3, 5, 7, 2. Okay. Now put the commas. So what is there? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So what is here? It is written 23,000, 572. Hope you understood. Similarly for the B1 also, here it is 1,29,360. Okay. So now we will come to the next question number 6. Okay, now see the question number 6 student. Write the numbers name for each of the following. It is 2, 4, 6, 7, 5. So how you have to write the numbers name you already learned in class 3rd also. First you have to put the commas according to the Indian system. See, ones, tens, 100, 1,000. After 3 digit comma, then you can read ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So now we will read it 24,675. Similarly the B1, that is your homework that you have to do in your rough copy, or you can do directly in your fair copy also. Now the question number 7th is write the numeral for each of the followings. 32,869. Simple. 32,869. Like this only you have to write, and that you have to put the comma also. And in the second, 5,49,795. 5 lakh means 5,49,795, and just put the comma also after 3 digits and then 2 digits according to the Indian system. Hope you understood these questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the WhatsApp group, or you can ask any question in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, now the question number 8 is students write the following in expanded form. You have to write it into the expanded form. 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. Okay, now see. Here it is given the blanks also. 6. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. How many 6 are there? Ones. So 6 into 1 equals to 6. It's tens. 5 into 10 equals to 50. Now 2 is 100. So you can write 2 into 100 equals to 200. Similarly 4, it is 1,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So 4 into 1,000. You can write 4,000. Now 1000, 10,000. 3 into 10,000. Now you can write here according to this. After seeing this blanks, you can directly write here also. From starting onward, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It means 34,000. 34,000 means 30,000. First you can break it. 30,000, then plus 4,000, plus 200, plus 50, and plus 6. It's very simple. According to this, ones means 1, 6 into 1, 6. Then tens, okay, 5 into 10, 50. Then 100, 2 into 100, 200. Then thousands, 4 into 1000, 4000. Then 10,000, 3 into 10,000, 30,000. Then you can expand it like this only. From starting onwards, you can write 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. So 34,256. It's very easy. Hope you understood about this questions. It's very easy. Next is a B question. That is your homework. Do it. If you not able to do, then you can ask me again. Students, I was saying you, if you have any doubt, you are really not able to understood, you can ask me. I will explain you in today itself, or maybe to the next session. Just ask me any queries you have. Okay. Okay, now the question number 9, write the numeral for each of these. In the question number 8, we write in the expanded form. Here we have to write the numerals. Now see, it is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It is 20,000, 7,000, 100, 90 and 1. So it is 27,191. It is very simple, or you can find it by adding also. आप इन सबको ऐड करेंगे तो भी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. और डायरेक्टली इफ यू नो, सो यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो 27,191. 27,191. If you are not able to understood, just directly go in a rough column and arrange them in a columns and add this. You get the answer 27,191. अगर आप इसे डायरेक्टली कॉलम अपने रफ कॉलम में जाकर ऐड करके देखेंगे डायरेक्टली, then also you get the same answer. And put the comma according to the Indian system. And the B1 is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. It is 7,45,553. 7,45,553. In question number B also, you go in a rough column. If you are not able to write, just arrange in the column and do the addition. Then you come to know that we are right. You get the same answer, 7,45,553. Hope you understood this A and B. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. मैं आपसे फिर बोल रहा हूँ कि आप इसको रफ कॉपी में अगर ऐड कर भी देखेंगे डायरेक्टली, then also you get the same answer, 7,45,553. Now the question number 10 is draw a spike abacus on your notebook and represent the following on them. It means वो कह रहा है आप अपने नोटबुक पर एक abacus बनाइए according to this and then represent them on the following. ठीक है. Now see, once draw this like a column like a abacus. First you draw like this, then put the ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000s like this only, and draw the vertical lines also on that like this. Then you can put the beads on them. Beads means ये जो रिंग मैंने लगाए हुए ना उसको बोलते हैं. तो according to this, how many ones are there? 6. तो हम कितने beads लगाएंगे यहाँ पर? 1 2 3 4 5 6. कितने गोले लगा देंगे? 6. We can say that beads. आपने abacus देखा होगा, स्लेट में देखा होगा, इन द चिल्ड्रंस, बच्चों की जो स्लेट्स आती थी पहले के समय पर, उस पर भी abacus होता था. और मे बी many of them are going for the UC mass also. There also they are giving the abacus also. Now there you see the beads are there for the counting. Similarly here it is. So how many ones are there? 6. So we will put the 6 beats here. And in the tens place, how many tens are there? 5. So we will put the 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the 100 place 2. So we put the 2 beats. And in 1000 place 4. So we can put the 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the 10,000 place there are 3. So we can put the 3 beats. Similarly in the B, you can see that ones place it is 8. How many beats we will put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the tens place 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the ones place 0. So we will not put any beats. अगर 0 है तो कोई भी beats हमें put नहीं करना है, कोई नहीं beats नहीं लगाना है वहाँ पर. Now in the 1000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Sorry, I'm reading wrong. Just 6 beats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 beats you have to put. And in the 10,000 place there are 2. You can put the 2 beats. In lakh place there are 9. So you have to put the 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hope you understood. Okay, now see student, question number 11. Write the numeral, represent them on the abacus. Okay, and represent them on the abacus. Now the A1 is this. See, here they are written the ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. It is already there in your book also. Just you have to write the numbers according to this abacus. Okay, now see what is the solution for this is, in the ones place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place how many beats are there? 1, 2, 3. So here you can write 4, here you can write 3, here you can write 2. How many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beats are there. So what is the number for this? 8, 7, 2, 3, 4. 87,234. Similarly for the B1 is also, that was your work, you can do. Now the question number 12 it is. It was very big question, so I didn't write the question. Here the question is asking that some numbers are given here and it was in expanded form, but it was arranging in a jumbled way. It means वो उल्टी सीधी जगह लिखे हुए हैं. You have to arrange and give the answer. आपको इसको arrange करना, then you have to give the answer. So according to the first we will arrange according to the greatest digit. Greatest digit is 40,000. So see, first we will write 40,000 plus then 3,000, then 100 plus then 20 plus then 5. So what is the answer? 43,125. 43,125. Hope you understood this. And B is also there. Question second, B is also there. Then you can do it yourself. That question you will do yourself. Okay. B1 is also there. First you have to arrange according to the greatest ascending order के according ही आप इसे arrange कर लें. सबसे पहले greatest number लेके 40,000, then 3,000, then 100, then 20, and then at last 5. Then you can add, or you can, if you know directly, you can read and write the answer 43,125. Hope you understood this exercise 1.1. If you have any doubts, students, please ask me without any hesitation. Thank you.